A bar 2 meter long slides down the plane as shown. The end A slides on a horizontal floor with a velocity of 3 meters per second. Determine the angular velocity of rod AB and velocity of end B for the position shown. This was asked in December 2017 examinations. Now, what is our first step? Our first step is to find out ICR by drawing perpendiculars to the velocity. So at this point A, it is quite obvious that as A is moving towards left side in horizontal direction, so perpendicular to it will be like this, in this direction, which will be perpendicular. And point B is sliding on this particular surface. So if I draw perpendicular to it, it will be somewhat like this, which will be perpendicular to this. So let us draw perpendicular to both the velocities. So it will be like this, and wherever they meet, that point is known as ICR. Now as you can see, there is only one link AB, there will be only one ICR I1. Now how we proceed further? What we write? We write the name of the link, that is link AB, and corresponding ICR is I1. Then next what we write? What are the 2 points on the link? So points are A and B, so I will write point A and point B. Now next we write the relation of velocities. So I will write VA is equal to RI1A, because ICR is I1 and point is A, so it will be distance from I1 to A, and omega AB because it is on link AB. Similarly, VB will be equal to RI1B multiplied by omega AB. Now in this equation, we need the distances RI1A and RI1B. For which, what we will consider? We will consider this particular triangle IAB. Now, in this particular triangle I1AB, this angle is given to us as 20. So, what will be this angle? This angle will be around, not around, it will be 70 degrees. Now, again, this angle of the plane. Now, I will find out these two angles by means of geometry. This angle of plane is given to us as 30. So if this angle is 30, what will be this angle? This angle will be 150. How 150? Because it is angles forming linear pair. Now in this small triangle, this let us say A, B, and let me say this is point M. For example, I am taking point M. In triangle AMB, this angle is given to us as 20. This we just now find out as 150. This remaining angle will be 10 degrees. This is 10 degrees, and now we know that this line is perpendicular to this angle or this plane. So if this is 10, what will be remaining? This angle will be 80 degrees. That's it, we have done. So this is 70, this is 80. So what will be this remaining angle? This remaining angle will be 30 degrees, because sum of angles of a triangle should be 180 degrees. So now we got all the three angles, and also the length of this AB is given to us in the question as 2 meters. So all the three angles are there, and there is one side of the triangle available. What I will do, I will apply. As you can see, I have applied sine rule. So after applying sine rule, I got the answer for I1A as 3.939 meters and I1B as 3.758 meters. Now what I will do, simple substitution. Substituting the values of I1A and I1B in these equations, and also the velocity at point A is known to us as 3 meters per second. So VA is 3, RA we have already found out, or I1A we have already found out. So I will substitute it here. So what I will get? I will get answer for WAB. I will get answer for omega AB as 0.6176 radian per second. Now omega AB is known to us. I will put this omega AB here. Also I know the value of RI1B from this step. Substituting all the values, I will get answer for VB as 2.862 meters per second, which completes the solution. Hope you got it.